Hello, y'all. Today is Thursday, May 11th, 2023 at 1:32 a.m. I was trying to figure out where that noise was coming from. So another target was, telling me about, taking notes on noises. And this refrigerator usually don't make this noise. I wasn't sure where the noise was coming from. I thought it came from outside. But the refrigerator usually doesn't make this noise. Did I say? Yeah, it's 1:32 a.m. in the morning. So the refrigerator has this weird, loud, humming noise. So, I never before heard the refrigerator make a noise like this. I never heard this refrigerator make a noise like this. And then at night. So, at first I thought it was crickets or something outside. Or I thought it was some pests outside. And so while I'm on here, I'm going to say that I'm feeling a little bit better. And they've been having train horn honking all off and on all night. Loud cars passing by, loud trucks passing by, and my chest pain is feeling a little bit better. Well, right now it doesn't feel like I would need to go to the emergency room, but it's feeling a little bit better. But it's still kind of, my back hurts a little bit more. And earlier they were causing like painful pressure on different parts of my head, especially the back of my head and the left side of my head. And about 5 minutes ago, they hit me in my right ear with the high. About 5 or 10 minutes ago, they hit me in my right ear with the high pitched noise, and they've been vibrating my body throughout the night. So they are giving me an electronic ass whooping, attacking me really bad. The worst they've electronically attacked me in quite a while, vibrating the shit out of me.